So now for technique number 32, how to speed thread a sewing machine if you're changing colors or whatnot. So what I do is first take your new thread color. This is my old thread color. What I do is I come right here, I tie a simple knot around the original thread like that. Then one of the tricks is to grab everything like this and then tie another one down near the bottom. So we end up with two knots, one here and one here. So if you just tied one and tried to pull it through, it would most likely would pull out. But because we're doing two knots, it's not going to pull out. So next, we'll cut the old thread. Now what I usually is I reach down here by the needle, lift my foot. So when I lift my foot with my knee lift here, it loosens up all these rings here and takes away all the tension. So once you do that, you just pull the thread through. And just like that, you changed your thread. Isn't that amazing? Maybe some of you guys already do that. Maybe some of you just seen that for the first time. All I have to do then is just thread the needle. We're ready to go. And what I usually do is I do the rotation here, reach under here, pull out the thread. Now we're really ready to go. Really, really ready. And that's it.